Hey everyone, welcome to Code to Insight. Today we are tackling a big question. Why should you learn coding if you want to be in data science? Let's be real, data science is everywhere, whether it's predicting the next blockbuster stock, recommending your favorite Netflix series, or powering tools like ChatGPT. None of this would exist without coding. Coding isn't just another skill, it's the core engine that makes data science works. So what is real world impact of coding in data science? Let's look at some examples. Netflix, more than 80% of what people watch is influenced by its recommendation system. That's code analyzing your habits and serving you the perfect movie. The stock market, millions of data points processed per second, and it's the code that identifies patterns human can't. And of course, ChatGPT itself, it runs on layers of complex code that allow it to understand and respond to languages. From entertainment to finance, coding transforms random data into decisions that literally impact your daily life. Now think about this. Data is like a foreign language. Without coding, it's just a noise. But with coding, you finally have translator. It lets you clean messy data so it's usable, analyze it to find hidden patterns, and then actually understand the story behind the numbers. Without coding, data is just numbers on screen. With coding, it becomes a narrative you can work with. So what exactly does coding make possible? Well, let's break it down. Stock prediction, algorithms coded to learn from history and forecast the future. Netflix recommendation system, code that understands you better than your friends sometimes do. And ChatGPT, built entirely on deep learning code that lets AI think in human-like way. These are not small things, they are billion-dollar applications that run because someone somewhere wrote code. Let's imagine the perfect analogy in terms of cooking. Here's the best way to picture it. Cooking, imagine walking into a kitchen with raw vegetables, spices and meat. You can't eat it like that. It's unorganized, messy and not useful. That's what raw data looks like. Now coding is your knife, your stove, your blender. Without them, you can't cook. But once you use those tools, you turn ingredients into beautiful dishes. That's exactly what happens in data science. Data is the raw ingredients, coding is the tool, and the insights are the final meal. So why exactly is coding essential? Instead of wasting hours on repetitive tasks, coding gets it done instantly and with fewer mistakes. Number 2. Predictive power. Coding helps us build models that don't just explain the past, they actually predict the future. And the number 3, communication. Data science is useless if you can't explain it. Coding helps you create clear charts, visualizations, so anyone, technical or not, can understand the insights. Of course, the next question is, what language should you learn? Python or R? Python is an all-rounder, simple, beginner-friendly and powerful, with libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. R, on the other hand, is a statistic powerhouse, amazing for data visualization and analysis with packages like ggplot2. Most professionals start with Python because it's versatile, but if you are doing hardcore statistical research, R is be your best friend. The truth is, both are great, it just depends on your goal. But here's something most people don't realize. Learning to code does not just teach you syntax, it's actually rewire your brain. You start breaking down complex problems into smaller steps. You develop patience and precision because debugging teaches you discipline, and you become adaptable because coding is always evolving. These are life skills, not just tech skills. Coding literally changes how you think. Now some people ask me, but isn't AI going to replace coding? The truth is no, it won't. It will transform it. AI can generate code, but humans are the ones who guide, refine and make sense of it. Think of AI as your co-pilot. It's powerful, but without you add the controls, it's useless. Coding skills are what let you take AI's power and actually direct it towards solving real-world problems. So let's wrap this up. Learning the code is not just about writing lines on screen. It's about unlocking the hidden power of data. It's about turning messy, raw numbers into knowledge and then into real-world impact. The sooner you start, the sooner you can shape your own future in this data-driven world. So my advice, don't wait, pick up coding today and tomorrow you will already be ahead.